handling large GIS datasets and feeling stuck with slow shapefiles. That's because shapefiles weren't built for scale. Databases are in this video. You'll learn how to use PostGIS with QGIS, a powerful combination that lets you store, manage, and analyze spatial data faster, smarter, and at scale. As GIS projects grow, managing data becomes harder. Multiple users, frequent updates, and heavy analysis can quickly break traditional file-based workflows. That's where PostGIS comes in. PostGIS is a spatial extension of PostgreSQL that turns your database into a full GIS engine. It allows centralized data storage, multi-user collaboration, faster queries, and advanced spatial analysis, all using SQL. Think of it as GIS meeting databases. So let's get into it. PostGIS is PostgreSQL plus spatial intelligence. It stores vector data, understands geometry, and performs spatial operations like area and intersections. This makes it ideal for urban planning, utilities, asset management, and even WebGIS backends like Leaflet or Mapbox. GIS to connect PostGIS with QGIS. Open the browser panel, right-click on PostGIS, and choose New Connection. Enter your database details, host, port, database name, username, and password, then test the connection and click OK. Once connected, your database appears just like a folder of layers, but faster and centralized. Layers to move data into PostGIS. Open Database gives DB Manager, then use Import Layer or File. Select your shapefile or GeoPackage. Choose the schema, usually public, name the table, and make sure the CRS matches your project. One of the biggest advantages of PostGIS is Spatial SQL. Inside DB Manager, open the SQL window and run queries like calculating area, filtering by attributes, or performing spatial intersections. For example, you can calculate district areas or find which roads intersect specific boundaries. Asterisk. Let's review what we learned today. Asterisk. PostGIS is a spatial database built on PostgreSQL. QGIS connects seamlessly to PostGIS through the browser panel. Import and export layers easily using DB Manager. SQL enables powerful spatial analysis directly inside QGIS, ideal for large datasets, teams, and scalable GIS. Asterisk. And that's how QGIS and PostGIS work together to handle spatial data at scale. In the next video, we'll move into NDVI and vegetation analysis in QGIS. Subscribe to continue your GIS map.